guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we dive in, please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already for more beauty trends, beauty tips and tricks like hair growth hacks for example, and self-development. And if you are already a subscriber, thanks. Alright, let's get to it. What is going on here? Okay, this is absolutely crazy. Not only is this but it is very damaging to this woman's hair. A hairstylist glues the track directly onto his client's hair. How in the world is she going to clean her scalp under her tracks? Okay, I honestly feel like it's just lazy to not break the hair under the tracks. It's also reckless as it can cause a lot of damage. And the glue can rip out her hair during takedown and her hair can fall out because the follicles are not able to breathe. Take a look. Now, I'm not 100% sure if the stylist was actually putting the weave glue directly on her hair, even though it looks like it. The stylist had commented on the video of the weave installation and said, "Yeah, I'm convinced people don't know about the molding product that protects the hair during quick weaves anymore." So it sounds like the hairstylist applied a separate protective barrier on top of her hair before they glued the tracks in. I never knew that such a product existed, but I guess we can learn something new every day. But even with that air quote protective layer, there's still a big problem. There will be no way of getting to your scalp through your hair, and this is not healthy and needs to stop. If you want to retain length, please do not do this. Until next time.